Hello people of the internet. So recently I decided to organize the refrigerator in our house, and now I want to organize our pantry because I just get annoyed when everything's a little disorganized, and we have 6 people living in our house, and sometimes seven because my boyfriend literally is always here and he feels at home at our house, which is not a bad thing, but like he just throws things in our fridge too. So like if he buys,
but he puts his name on it.
Yeah, we put his name on it. But like if he buys like hot fudge for ice cream or stuff, it's just shoved in our freezer or our fridge, and it's like, this needs to be organized. So I recently organized our fridge, which is still doing pretty well. I've organized it before, it didn't last long, and so I had to explain to everyone, this is how it works and this is how you have to do it. But I decided today I wanted to organize our pantry, which is also a hot mess. But again, we have 6 times, sometimes 7 people here, so that's why, and plus no one really organizes it. I tried to organize it a while ago, and there's like little papers saying like, this section is for baking, and this section is for Shane and Hunter, and this section is for the snack boxes and stuff like that. I'll show you when we get over there, but I just wanted Mom to be in the intro because she wants to be like, disclaimer, there's 6 to 7 people.
This is a judgment-free zone.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna make this a video because I wanted to organize it, and I was like, let's make it a video. Woohoo. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the kitchen now. Okay, so I just set up my tripod. Has a pretty good view. I'm gonna go ahead and clear everything off on a time lapse, and as I clear everything out of there, I'm going to be putting it on our table and organizing it by sections. So like cooking or snacks or things that are expired need to be thrown away, because sometimes things expire and we don't realize it, because, you know, sometimes we just have 2 or 3 of the same types of chips opened but buried under things, so we don't know we have that many of the same chips open, you know. So hopefully this will make it easier for my family to know what we have, and we won't be wasting as much money and spending as much money and buying a bunch of things that we don't need. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I cleared off the first 2 shelves, and this is what our kitchen is currently looking like. So all of this stuff right here is stuff that's getting thrown out, not this container, just the cereal that's in it, because that container, I'm pretty sure, has been sitting there for a while. So that's everything that's getting pitched so far, but all of this stuff is good. Also, we have a ton of tea because my mom had a total tea obsession for like a really long time, and also we have a ton of granola bars and stuff. I haven't checked the dates on all of these granola bars, but I will once I go to put them back in, because some of them are in different boxes, so I need to find their proper boxes and stuff and figure it out. What I forgot to say in the last clip is that I'm going to go ahead and put the snack boxes back in there, because we're just going to keep the snack boxes there, and then and it will make more room on the table for me to empty off another shelf. So my brother decided to put his school logo in my video on accident in my time lapse, and I didn't really want to show where my brother went to school because I'm not comfortable with that. So I deleted that time lapse. Luckily I didn't go through too much, but I'm starting to realize we have like a lot of powdered sugar. Baking, my mom said. So yeah, back to the time lapse. Okay, so I just organized all of my stepdad's stuff. He said he didn't want any of his stuff to be thrown away, so I didn't throw anything away except for really expired graham crackers, and also a sleeve of crackers that was left with 3 crackers. So yeah, but I just kind of organized all of his stuff back into his little section of stuff, and now I'm going to go through and figure out a way to organize everything else that's here. So yeah. Okay, so this is currently what the pantry looks like. It's still really unorganized. This is all my mom's keto stuff that I put from down there into here. So that looks kind of weird because it's all in like weird packages and they're all like bottom heavy, so they like take up a lot of space. I have the soup, I have 2 chips, some peanuts, some one of these croutons and almonds back there. Then we have all of our like snacks and cereals and oatmeal. So let me scoot it over. So then we have all of our chips and then cereals, chips, goldfish, cereal, pancake mix, all that stuff. Our snack boxes. Oh, I already went over the shelf. Then we have all of the containers in the back with like the rice and stuff and flour, and we don't like just stuff that we don't use that much. Then we have one for powdered sugar. The one back here is rice. This one is popcorn seeds, and this is brown sugar, and then we have all this stuff in front right here. Then all of the tea is all back behind this. Then we have all of our cans, and then another one of my mom's keto things, all of my stepdad stuff, and then the oils are all back there. And then we also have a pancake syrup up there because, yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today because I'm ready to take a nap because that took a really long time. This is all the stuff we're getting rid of. I don't feel like going through and making this is what we got rid of, and this, and then this, and then that. So we're keeping these. But, oh wait, this too. Oh no, wait, we're keeping this. This goes up here. Okay, cool, we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I feel like I could organize it more, like, to an extent if I had containers and stuff that I can organize it by category in, but unfortunately I do not, so I cannot do that. So yes, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more organization videos, then let me know in the comments down below, and until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!